Hello, welcome to a quick lesson on installing Ubuntu. This is lesson one of about 4 or 5 lessons I'm going to do that covers each thing. This is the longer one, the rest will be shorter. I'm using VMware Workstation Player. You can be using anything really, Oracle or the full version of VMware. This is just the version I've got to hand. So you create a new virtual machine. You browse to where the ISO file is installed. So mine's on the C drive in Ubuntu. So browse to it. And once I've browsed to that, I can click next. I put in my name for the installation package. So the important thing here is that if you put in, the name has to be all lowercase. So if I put capital Neil in, it won't let me. Invalid username. So make sure that the username is lowercase and just letters. Click next. Where am I going to save it to? This is important. Do not save to the college network. You'll run out of space. This is critical. So browse to the C drive and go to the folder you made. So I made one called Ubuntu Videos. And so that's what it's going to save it to. I'm going to click next. I'm going to accept the default. Customize hardware. This is important. I'm going to up it to 18 gig of RAM just to speed up our process for today. And extremely important is that you have network adapter. It will either be bridged or NAT. It'll default to NAT, leave it on NAT. That's really important because we want to connect to the internet to complete these activities. So it's got to be on NAT. So 18 gig of RAM and on NAT. Close, finish. And then it should start installing. I'm going to pause bits of the installation so that we're not waiting around. So what should take about 10 minutes, about 10 minutes is going to take us 2 or 3 minutes because I'm going to pause at the bits that I need to. So it's just getting ready for the first screens. There's only a few screens that we need to be bothered with for this. So I'll just avoid pausing for a moment or two. And we've presented with the first screen. English UK and English UK, continue. Don't download updates while installing Ubuntu, it'll slow things down. Just go for a normal installation. Minimal could be quicker, but there's not much in it. So normal installation, continue. It's gonna have to think about it for a while. Erase the disk, yes, because it's gonna be a new virtual disk, it doesn't matter. Accept the partition tables, the formatting it's gonna do. Accept the location of London. And now you put in your name again. So this is going to be Neil Virtual Machine. We'll be changing that later. And require my password to log in. Continue. And that's pretty much it. There'll be no more prompts right until the end. So I'll pause this video and start it up when the prompts come. It does take about 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, and after about 10 minutes, it's asked me to restart. There were no screens in the meantime. So the restart process is very quick. I'll log in with my password. And that's Ubuntu installed. There'll be a couple of screens that we'll have to skip, really. Don't send any info. Leave location services off. And we're done. And that's it. So we're now ready to start on the basic lessons. So that ends video 1, installing Ubuntu.